If you got a Steam Deck and an Xbox and want to stream your complete Xbox to your Steam Deck like a PlayStation Portal, I will show you how to do it step by step. It's XBplay. The first thing you want to do is boot up your Xbox. Once it's booted up, press the Xbox button on your controller and go to Settings. From there, go to Devices and Connections, then go to Remote Features and enable Remote Play features. It might take some time for your Xbox to test the connection, but once it's done, grab your Steam Deck and go to desktop mode. From the desktop, go down here to Discover Software Center, and at the search bar, type in XBplay. You can do this with a connected keyboard or by pressing X on the Steam Deck to bring up the virtual keyboard. Just a small note, this is a paid app that you can use as a trial. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I just use it a lot and believe it's worth a one-time purchase of around $7. So go ahead and click on install, then wait for the download to finish, and once it's downloaded, click launch. From here you have a lot of options like Remote Play and Cloud Play, but for today we will focus on Remote Play. Just click login and then sign in with your Microsoft account. Now you can click Remote Play and give it some time to boot up. And once booted, you should see the Xbox main menu. You can navigate through the main menu and do exactly the same things as you would natively do on your Xbox. That means you can also play your own installed games, not only Game Pass games. So let's check out its performance and settings and then set up XBplay to use in gaming mode. I've installed Cyberpunk on my Xbox, so it's remote playing directly from it. Just know that the performance will vary depending on your internet connection. The overall controls were good and the performance feels pretty smooth with almost no stuttering. It happens occasionally, but most of the time I had a decent experience. When you tap the screen, you can see an on-screen controller, and in the down middle you have a guide button that acts as your Xbox menu button. Furthermore, you can tap these dots right here to bring up XBplay's settings menu, where you have the option to change the display settings, like change the transparency of the on-screen controls. I've set them to 20, which look a lot better in my opinion. Furthermore, you have some video settings, and you can also change some audio settings and some advanced settings, where you can change the resolution and more. You also have some mouse and keyboard options and a help menu. Just don't forget to press apply and close to save your settings. Furthermore, you have a clarity boost, where you have some options for upscaling, sharpness settings, and some general information. You can also change your mic settings, change the touch layout, or use community builds, or use the guide button, refresh the video, or quit XBplay. Now let's set it up in gaming mode. First close XBplay, then close it again. Then go down here and type XBplay in the search bar. Then click it with your right mouse click or left Steam Deck trigger and select Add to Steam. Then open up your Steam library, search for XBplay and right click this empty banner. Here you can set up artwork you've downloaded on the internet. Then close everything and head over to gaming mode. In gaming mode, press the Steam button and go to Library. In your library, go to the far right and select Non-Steam. Then scroll down and look for XBplay and open it. Then go to your right and press the controller icon and make sure it's on gamepad with mouse trackpad. Then close this screen and start XBplay. And you should be able to use your Xbox on your Steam Deck like the PS Portal. And as you can see, it's running at a pretty stable frame rate right below 60 FPS. But if you want to do this for free and don't mind to do some more steps, I will make a video about it. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Or click here to watch the next video. See you there.